Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sonia. Wow, it's been a while I've been on YouTube. Anyway, thank you for those that kept on watching my videos and those that checked on me. So today I'm going to show you how I made this sumptuous and delicious beef stir fry sauce. Okay, these are my ingredients for today. I'm making spinach beef stir fry, if that makes sense. It's just a sauce I thought I should make today. That's my paprika. Then this is my diced beef. I got it from Aldi. It was about £2. Yeah, 100% British. Then this is my unwashed spinach. The bag is so massive, like you've got a lot inside. So I usually go to Aldi just to get this bag of spinach. So this is what I'm using today. Then I've got this sweet harvest tomato puree. My bell peppers, the red and the yellow. Tropical sun aroma. My curry powder. No cubes. My thyme and salt. So I'm going to use all this today to make this beef stir fry spinach sauce. Okay, I'm going to start by boiling my beef. I know some people would just stir fry it fresh, but that's not me actually. So with the beef, I boiled it for about 2 minutes. So it's time for me to stir fry my onions before I start adding my peppers. I love onions. The smell is just so nice. I want to stir fry my beef for about 2 minutes. So when they are golden brown, I'm going to take them out before I start frying my peppers. Obviously, I don't intend to leave them in throughout the cooking. So I decided not to take out the beef because I wanted them to suck on all the juices, like the tomato juice, the red bell peppers, the yellow and everything. Just suck them all and have that juicy beef when I'm chewing. So one secret I've learned in making stir fries is the more dry and sticky it is, the more it's going to taste delicious. So now I'm going to leave this sauce to dry a bit, not entirely dry. I need the juice. As you can see underneath now, the more it's going to taste so delicious. Wow, this is so juicy right now. Seriously, it's so beautiful. It looks so nice. It looks so tempting. Like, I can decide not to add the spinach and just go ahead, cook this, finish cooking it, boil rice or yam and just dive into this. It's so colorful. I love the peppers in it. This is my washed and diced spinach. I've just added it to my pepper sauce. So I'm just going to allow them steam up together for about 5 minutes. Then I'm going to give them a massive stir. I've given it a massive stir, like I've stirred everything together. So I'm still going to allow them cook well together. Like recently, I only just started using this spinach. I don't know if it's baby spinach, whatever it's called, but I'm loving it. Most of you know me as an ugu lover. I mean pumpkin leaf, but pumpkin leaf will not do this sauce justice, just as this spinach has done it. Pumpkin leaf is just too hard. This leaf is so fluffy and soft. Wow, my sauce is almost ready. I can't wait to deal with this sauce, really. I love how juicy this sauce is because I might have swallow with it. Because this sauce is it multifunctional, so I can have rice, eba, yam with it. Wow, this is the finished product. Okay, tell me, what will you like to eat with this sauce? Is it yam, rice, or swallow? Like right now, I'm in the mood to have yam and plantain with this sauce. Watch out, guys, you will see now. Okay, yam and plantain it is. What would you have rather gone for? Thanks for watching today's recipe, guys. If you love this video, please give it a thumbs up.